Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a little girl named Lily. She loved animals, especially cats. One sunny afternoon, while she was playing in the garden, she heard a soft meow. Lily followed the sound and found a tiny kitten under a bush. It looked scared and alone.
Oh no.
"Are you lost?" Lily asked. The kitten meowed again, as if it was saying yes. Lily gently picked up the kitten and took it home. She gave it some milk and played with it. But she knew someone in the village must be missing their kitten. So, the next day, Lily made posters. She wrote, "Found, small kitten. Please call Lily." She hung the posters on trees and walls all around the village. That evening, there was a knock on her door. It was an old lady, smiling with tears in her eyes. "That's my kitten," she cried. "Thank you for finding her." Lily handed the kitten to the lady, feeling happy that she had helped. The lady smiled and said, "You are such a kind girl, Lily." "Thank you." And from that day, Lily and the old lady became friends. They would often meet in the park, and the kitten, now happy and safe, always came to play.